Hi, I'm Alan Shaw. I'm the owner of Makaira Boats. We're a plate aluminium boat builder based in Northland. I started boat building at Alloy Yacht. I did my apprenticeship there, and when I was 18, I decided to build my own boat, and there was nothing really on the market that did what I wanted to do. There's a lot of things I love about boat building. It's seeing, raw aluminium come in and then a finished product roll out, and everything about that boat we've built entirely in-house, right from design through to cutting plate, to folding it, to welding it, to rolling it through, sandblasting, painting it, and then fitting the boat out in trailers. Every aspect of our builds is done in-house, and have gear like the KingGee stuff is really crucial for us. We need hardware and clothes that perform. They've got, pockets in good places and that sort of thing. One of the big highlights for Makaira has been getting into the American market. If you'd told me when I was an apprentice boat builder that we'd have boats going to America, wouldn't have dreamt that in my wildest dreams. Makaira Boats has always used science to back up what we do in naval architecture and engineering, and that's where KingGee and us are really similar. The science behind fabrics and products that they use, that our boats do. KingGee, you wear the crown.